Now, if you remember, we picked this thing up for $1,500 and cosmetically, it's a piece of junk. We're about to fix that today.
All right, we got a lot of cosmetic issues that need fixed. Let's quickly go over it. We got busted mirrors. We got grills that are missing and half falling apart. We also got a dent over here. I don't know if we can get that out. We may need a new fender. We have messed up paint and rust spots that need fixed. And then we also got an interior that smells like something died in it. So we're gonna try to get most of that done other than the paint work. I'm gonna do that in a separate video because that's like a whole week process. But let's get into this. Oh, I forgot to add, we're also missing a center console for our interior. I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard for that when I go get the fender. But yeah.
We're gonna get this mirror off. First thing, take this little shit, boom, right there. That's already cracked too, so I don't really care about its condition. Now for this, you're just gonna pry on it really gently. This is already off. I wonder if someone was in here because this is barely even on actually. There was 3 T20s there on the bottom. They're really hard to see on camera. Grab you a gun or a screwdriver and just take them off. I know I'm using a ratchet to get a screwdriver bit out. The problem is I don't have a short little screwdriver for this, which you do need because it's in such a tight area. I'm using a ratchet because that's all I have. Pull it through.
These are brand new mirrors. They are claimed to be OEM, so we're hoping they fit. Let's get them open and see. So I do have to spray paint it and all, but this is what they look like.
Dude, it's not gonna work. We did absolutely nothing for 30 minutes straight. No, actually, I'm gonna take that back. 30 minutes, what am I talking about? Like 3 hours, we figured out. So not only did this guy botch the wiring on this car, but the genius who worked on this decided to drill 2 different holes and sand them down, and they don't even align. So when we put the new mirror on, guess what happened? The same thing like this. The bolt wouldn't go in the hole, and you have to support it with duct tape. So nothing got resolved.
I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight, get some capacitors to borrow. They're closed right now. Hopefully they have something that will help me get that to hold up, or I may just hot glue the thing back on, but yeah. Let's get these boxes open. These are both the grills to the car, the upper and lower grill. Yo, these are some eBay specials. What? So no, this looks great. We just got the chrome grill, so no emblem anymore. Ours is cracked and broken, and this is like falling out, so that's why we got this. Y'all comment below what color we should make this. All right, these are the OEM bottom grills. Ours are missing.
We did get these on eBay for 10 bucks, so there is maybe a chance that they won't fit. I don't know. Let's find out.
Our bumper's cracking.
Oh, shit. All right, well, we got it off almost at the expense of our bumper. Man, I already got cobwebs on it. All right, good enough. Oh, guys, look, we have a baby coolant leak. But you know, this is a priority. We just don't care about maintenance over here.
This is our latch we'd remove.
Yo, this guy keeps getting worse and worse, man. With his stupid bullshit under this car. Alright. Put this aside. I'm not gonna throw it just because I don't know if this grill's even gonna fit.
Because it looks 1,000 times better.
We're gonna wrap it too, so that's when it will blend in. I'm probably gonna wrap this car like purple or something. We're gonna do this side. That mirror is about to fall off. Now, I may not have helped what I did with the intro, but I don't care. We're gonna fix this right now. Do one of these guns, does it in 2 seconds. Look, let me show y'all. Oh shit, I think I contradicted myself. Get in!
No, I was joking.
What was that I touched?
I don't know. A spider.
No, you're kidding.
No.
It was? Give me that.
All right, yeah, we're using Snap-on. All right, you don't need Snap-on though. Go to Harbor Freight or there's a lot of other brands like Gear Wrench or Capri and all. But like they're nice to have. They're nice to have, but you don't need Snap-on for everything. Don't get coerced by your
Give me
buddies.
my ratchet. Man, guys, this car really does smell like someone died up in it. Shit, reeky. I think that clip broke, so.
No, I don't.
Yeah! Alright, just like that, we got it off. I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. I won't look like a busted Nissan Altima on the highway anymore. Oh, yo! Are y'all seeing that? Ain't no way. All this for one bolt. And I'm not exaggerating, by the way, or anything. That's how tight that little shit was. Okay.
This is the old mirror though, guys. It's literally falling apart. Here's the other mirror. Hopefully this one fits though. Alright, new mirror. Guys, so we have new mirror on. We just gotta plug it in, but it should work. Oh, let me test it.
All right, baby, we got a mirror. We got a mirror. That was part of the mirror, but that ain't there no more. All right, and it looks way better than before, I'll tell you that.
Yeah. Now just this side. All right, got the old mirror off on this side. Gonna put this on. Hopefully it works with the method I got going. But if y'all remember this bolt right here, let me come to this side. This bolt hole was stripped. I like moved it around, played with it. All right, this is how it should work now. It's on, guys.
Finally, we just increased the value of this car from $1,500 to $1,600.
It's in. I'm gonna put everything back together and then see if the mirrors work. Hopefully they do. Oh, also the bumper too. All it needs is just lifted up. It's off the clamps. Alright, well then. I think that's as much as I can go. Hello, Moo.
And moo. Dude.
Oh my
Way better.
gosh. 1,000 times better. All I gotta do is just buy paint. Alright, time to see if they work. Hopefully it does. I'm assuming it does. Oh my god. Oh, they work. Alright, the last thing we need to do to this car is my most dreaded. I hate doing this, but it's a must with this thing. We're cleaning the carpets, fully tearing out this interior and getting it refreshed. I may remove the carpets, I may not, depending on how bad it looks coming out. If it doesn't look that bad, then I'm not gonna fully remove them. And then I gotta shampoo the seats because they're sticky. Like, I don't know what went on in this thing. And then fully clean it down. But other than that, the interior should be good, other than going at some point to the junkyard and getting a new center console. But yeah, let's get into this. That's how it looks. Like, that's really disgusting. That's nasty. Let me show you. So the carpets are actually starting to look white. They're actually starting to look white like they're supposed to look.
This is what we were breathing in. This is the original filter from 2002. This thing's never been changed.
Dude, what did you pull out? It's like a rat's nest. It's the next day. I finally finished the interior. It took me about 2 days to finish this thing, but it smells so much better. If y'all saw that air filter, yeah, it was pretty bad. I think that was where the dead animal smell was coming from. But other than that, that's basically it for what we got to get done this week to the car.
Now, there's still a lot that needs done with this budget Jetta. However, next episode, we're going to straight pipe this thing. We're going to make it sound like a true diesel. We're going to make it roll a shit ton of coal as well. And then after that, this fender's going to need replaced at some point. This paint, there is no point in keeping it. It's just beyond gone. We're just going to throw a wrap on it and honestly call it a day. I'm not going to sit and fix this paint. We're going to get wheels too. I forgot. These wheels are ugly. They got to go. Only reason I haven't got wheels is because I can't find any on Marketplace, and I'm not about to spend $1,500 on Fitment Industries for wheels.